in the projects page, we have this cool layout where as we hover on top of the project image, we have the name of the project and the tag and a link showing on top of the image. And creating this overlapping or overlays layout is something a little bit more complicated than what we've done previously. So I want to give you a little bit of theory about how we're going to use that using something that is called position absolute. So let's jump right into it. So we've seen previously that we've got elements and the position of the elements is usually set to static, which means that there are blocks and they're pushing each other down the line. Now we've experimented with a new position property that is position fixed for the navigation. And we saw that when we're doing this, it's going to be fixed to the top of the page or the bottom, or basically fixed to the page itself. It's not going to take up space in the page itself. It's going to be either on top or behind the elements, right? So now we're moving into something a little bit more complex. If we're going to take this element and change it to position absolute, then it's going to behave quite like the fixed, but instead of being fixed to the page itself, it's going to be fixed to its parent element if its parent element is set to relative. So I know that might sound a little bit confusing. What is relative? Well, relative is just a different property that you can set elements to so that things are going to be relative to it, like this absolute element. And then this absolute element can be on top of the elements, the other elements inside of its parent element. If that sounded a little bit like theory, I just wanted you to have this basic understanding. And now let's see this applied to our project.